Welcome to the Berks Career in Technology's Computerized Machining Program, where skilled students are crafting precision parts for the NASA Hunch program. Today, we'll take you through the fascinating process of creating the Cube Satellite Deployer flange, a crucial component for space exploration. Our journey begins with the careful selection and ordering of the right material. Our students ensure that the material meets the exact specifications required for the Cube Satellite Deployer by the NASA engineers. Once the material arrives, it's time to cut it into precise 7 1/4 inch sections. These blocks will allow the correct amount of material to be mounted in the machine in order for the part to be produced. Now, our skilled students dive into programming the CNC machine, setting up the material and meticulously machining the first side of the deployer flange. Precision meets innovation as technology comes to life. To ensure stability and accuracy, our students design a custom fixture for the part to mount to. This fixture must locate the part precisely and rigidly, and becomes the backbone for the entire machining process. With the fixture designed, it's time to program, set up, and machine it. The finished fixture is then precisely aligned and securely mounted to the CNC machine. Our students craft clamps that will securely hold the part in place on the fixture. These clamps will ensure the part remains stable throughout the machining process. Our skilled programmers now focus on creating the code for machining the second side of the flange. This step requires creative strategies as well as a keen eye for detail and precision. With the second side program, the machine is set up again and the machining process continues. This step finalizes the part. Quality assurance is paramount. Our students carefully inspect the finished part, ensuring that all dimensions meet the exact specifications required by NASA engineers for the Cube Satellite Deployer. The process is repeated for all remaining parts, guaranteeing that each deployer flange meets the high standards set by both Berks Career in Technology's Computerized Machining Program and NASA. And there you have it, the intricate journey of crafting the Cube Satellite Deployer flange at Berks Career in Technology's Computerized Machining Program. Precision, skill, and dedication come together to contribute to the success of the NASA Hunch program.